Tigernut drink business is one of the most underrated but profitable small-scale food business in Nigeria right now. But the truth is, many people start it the wrong way and lose money. In this video, I will show you the correct way to start, avoid common mistakes, and calculate your profit properly. Stay till the end because I will explain how to avoid spoilage, or I will also share mistakes people make that ruins their profits. Hello everyone, you're welcome back to kristyyumfoods. Why Tigernut business is profitable? First, why Tigernut drink? Number 1, people are becoming more health conscious. Many people now prefer natural drinks over soda. Number 2, Tigernut drink sells in schools, offices, gyms, churches, and events. Number 3, it is affordable to start. You don't need millions to begin at all. And number 4, it is a repeat purchase products. If your drink is creamy and fresh, customers will keep coming back. Now, let's check out the things you need to start. To start small-scale Tigernut drink business, here is what you need. Tiger nuts, dates, coconuts, which is optional but recommended, fresh ginger or dry ginger, clean water, blender or grinding machine, sieve cloth or cheesecloth, bottles, refrigerator or freezer. Here is a tip: if you already have a blender and fridge at home, your startup cost reduces drastically. That is if you're starting on a small scale. Now, carefully check out this realistic capital breakdown that I have right here. Let's talk about money. For small scale in Nigeria, you can start with around 20,000 naira to 40,000 naira, depending on your location. Here is an example estimation that I have down here. Tigernut is, let's assume, 8,000 naira, dates 4,000 naira, coconut 2,000 naira, bottles 6,000 naira, transportation and miscellaneous 5,000 naira. That is, total will be around 25,000 naira to 30,000 naira to start small. And here is a tip: you can even start smaller if you produce based on orders. Now let's talk about production. Step 1, sort and wash your Tigernut properly, remove stones and dirt. And then step 2, soak it for 8 to 12 hours to soften it. Step 3, blend with dates, coconut and ginger. Step 4, strain using a clean sieve cloth. And then step 5, bottle immediately and refrigerate immediately. We have different videos on how to produce long-lasting Tigernut drink, both for consumption and for sale. You can check out the link in the description box below. There you're going to find all the videos. The ones with beetroot, the ones with banana, the ones with pineapple. Just check out the link in the description box below. There you'll find all the solutions to your Tigernut spoilage problem. Now, here is a tip which is very important. Hygiene determines if customers will come back, so always sterilize your bottles before filling your drinks in them. Here is the most sensitive part: preservation. This is the most sensitive part in which most people do wrong. Tigernut drink lasts about 2 to 3 days in the fridge. If frozen without preservation, if you want a natural one, it can last up to 1 to 2 months. And then always write production date and store in airtight bottles. And here is a tip as well: never leave it outside for long at all. Here is another part, one of the reasons why we start up a business. Now carefully check out this list that I put down here: pricing and profits. Let's say with 25,000 naira ingredient, in which we put down earlier, you produce 70 bottles. If you sell each bottles for 600 naira, so multiply number of bottles, which is 70 times 600, you have 42,000 naira. Now minus your 25,000 naira costs, you make around 17,000 naira profit from one production cycle. Imagine producing twice weekly. That is over 30,000 naira profit weekly on small scale. As you grow, your profit also increases. Now, how to get customers? To sell successfully, what you need to do is post consistently on WhatsApp status, use TikTok and Instagram, offer free tasting to neighbors, partner with small shops, attend small events, and also consistency is the key. Now, if you are serious about starting this business and you want full measurements, detailed preservation method, pricing formula, and step-by-step customer strategy, I run a Tigernut Business class. And in that class, I break everything down in detail so you don't waste money making mistakes. If you are interested, check the description box or send start in the comments below. I also have different ebooks to guide you. Kindly check out the description box below. This business requires consistency, cleanliness, and patience. Start small, reinvest your profit, improve your packaging, build your brand. If you love my tips and recipes, you will find even more in my exclusive cookbook, a complete guide that covers everything from delicious meals and baking secret to also event planning and natural hair growth solution, Tigernut drink classes, ebooks, plus my online classes which guides you step by step. Check the description box below to grab your ebook or sign up for a class. Let's level up together. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I drop videos like this, and share it with someone who needs a business idea. Also, don't forget to follow us on our display social media and just let us become friends and advance together. I will see you in the next video.